Okay, I'm going to show you how to assign a phone number to a user after you've added them to your system. So we already added our user. What we're going to do first is we're going to go to our waffle and we're going to type in 360 SMS. We can go to the admin. And then we're in SMS setup. Now we're going to click on user config and we're going to click in new. And the easiest thing to do is to select all profiles, select all users, and then add them to a phone number. Okay, so in this case, you've one by one added them each to your phone number, but this is actually really cool because when we do all users, this means that everybody has access to text from this number. So we're going to first start with this first number. We're going to make sure we email the alert, save. Perfect. We'll do it again. So we just need to do it 3 times. All profiles, all users, next phone number. And then all profiles, all users, that phone number. So now all the users in your account, in your org, will have the ability to text and receive text from that phone number. Okay? And then you can make somebody have a default number. So right now you only have 3 phone numbers that are enabled in your account. And they have all been configured to your users. So all of your users can see text in and out. And then each user has a specific one set as their default number. The only one that doesn't have a default number is you, Eden. So that means if Rami comes in and goes to text somebody, it's going to automatically text out from this one, which is great. And then Nissan can see those text messages. So if he comes behind each other, they can see and they can text and continue the conversation if needed. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is the CTI setup. Now this video will be initially limited because you only have 3 phone numbers that are enabled. So I already started the process to enable your next number with the area code that you requested from me. So this is what you're going to do when that number is enabled, and it should be enabled here very shortly. So you see here all the users are configured to a phone number. Okay, and then this is the cell phone number of each of those users that phone number will ring to if you don't pick it up in Salesforce. So when you're looking to assign a user to a new number, you just click on new. You're going to select the profile of that user, so system admin, for example. You'll select the user and then the phone number that you're available. Okay, so right now it says you don't have it enabled. So in just a little bit, it'll appear here and then you can select it. You can just say that's their default caller number. You can put the cell phone number that they need to have that forward to. And then you're going to make sure you click recording both directions, incoming and outgoing. Okay, you don't have a call queue, but if you did, that's where it would be. That's a round robin. Okay, and everything else you can leave the same. And then you click save and then you're all set. This will give me an error because I don't have a phone number. Okay, so that's how you're going to do it. You just click save when you're done. Okay, and that is how you set up a user.